Ladies and gentlemen, I take this opportunity to once again request you for a huge round of applause for all those who were featured in Pacesetters 1, which was the very beginning of the journey. And then Miraj says she wished she could have put together an evening like this to felicitate them and to thank them for being a part of her book. So for all those who are here that I may name or not name, but I know that they are here, I would like to thank each one of the Pacesetters who have featured in the book 1. Without further delay, may I invite on stage the lady herself, Miraj. Please come on stage and share the way your dream has taken shape.
Good evening. His Excellency, Mr. Abdul Rahman Saif Al Ghurair, Chairman of the Dubai Chamber of Commerce and Industry. His Excellency Mirza Al Saeg, Director of the Office of Deputy Ruler of Dubai. His Excellency, Mr. M.K. Lokesh, Indian Ambassador to UAE, distinguished guests, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all this evening for the launch of Pacesetters 2 and honoring the 30 Indians from various walks of life who have made their mark in the UAE and are featured in this book. Where do people look for inspiration to excel in life? Interestingly, it is books that offers insight into the struggles and success of people, the way they overcome obstacles and take the plunge on their gut feelings and visionary approach. One such effort is my book, Pacesetters 2, the latest addition to a selected portfolio of books about successful Indians. Like the inaugural edition in 2010, Pacesetters 2 celebrates the inspiring stories of Indians who made it big in the UAE through a variety of factors like firm determination to excel in whatever business and professions they are in. It's almost 3 years since the launch of my first book as a writer. And now, as Pacesetters 2 hits the bookstores, there is this sense of vindication that the journey I began as a writer, bringing to the fore the stories of some of the most accomplished individuals in the UAE, has stood the test of times. In fact, right since the launch in 2010, there has been a clamor for second edition to pen the success saga of more Indians whose success stories need to be told to a larger audience. The idea behind a sequel to that book, or Pacesetters 2 that I have published now, is exactly this: to take off from where the publishers had left last time and bring another comprehensive book that showcases the sterling success stories of the other eminent Indian achievers in the UAE. And as with all my other previous books, Dr. Ram Baksani and Mr. Bharat Bhai Shah, distinguished Indian expatriates in the UAE, have been a pillar of support. I must admit that without their constant support, I would not have reached this far, and I look forward to their blessings in my future endeavors too. The selection of people for featuring in Pacesetters 2 has been a difficult task given the huge number of successful Indians in the UAE. But then, like I have reiterated in my previous books, I do not claim this to be the most perfect selection of names. But what I do say is that I have written this book from my own perspective and tried to bring in the stories that I felt as an experienced journalist and long-time UAE resident needed to be told. Like the first book, Pacesetters 2 also continues to present these achievers and their aspiring stories, the beginning, the journey, and the success path that they have created for others to admire and aspire. The book presents 30 Indians who are visionaries, who made their dreams come true, and who are making meaningful difference to our world. It is our great pleasure recognizing their successes, which will be an inspiration to many aspiring entrepreneurs and professionals. My gratitude to Mr. Abdul Rahman Saif Al Gurer for considering to release my book once again after the release of my previous book, Young Asian Achievers, last year. And also a big thank you to His Excellency Mirza Al Sayegh and the Indian Ambassador for being here today to encourage and honor the Indian achievers. Thank you, my colleagues, particularly Mr. Meher Alam, who's not here, photographer, Mr. Mohammad Khan, contributors, Dipti Das and Armenia Fernandez, and my family for standing by my side. A special thanks once again goes to Globus Events for putting up such a great show. And last but not the least, a big thank you to my well-wishers, Mr. Kulwant Singh, Dr. Bharat Bhutani, and Mr. Nitin Anand, as well as other patrons and sponsors for supporting this project. Within a short span of time, Exponent Media has become one of the distinguished publishers of the UAE, specializing in coffee table books with high production value and well-researched content. These are a few steps that in our long journey. We are working on more projects and will unveil details in due course of time. We look forward to your support for our future endeavors as well. Thank you once again, and hope you have a nice evening. Thank you.
Thank you, Miraj. Now I request the first patron and the advisor to the book, Bharat Bhai Shah, to share a few words with us on why and how. Yes, sir. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Pacesetters 2 could not have been what Miraj dreamt it to be without the support and the patronage of Bharat Bhai Shah and Mr. Ram Baksani. So may I kindly request them to share a few words.
नमस्कार। माननीय, माफ करना, मैं right from my childhood, whatever I speak in my national language. टूटी फूटी हिंदी में मैं बात करूँगा। मैं माननीय लोकेश जी, respected श्री अब्दुल रहमान अल गुरेर, respected मिर्जा अल साइग and आमंत्रित महानुभावों, हमारे भारत में कोई जबरदस्त काम होता है, लगभग अशक्य, इम्पॉसिबल जो काम होता है, जो मुश्किल काम होता है, उसको कहते हैं भगीरथ काम। ये जो भगीरथ वर्ड कहाँ से आया मैं समझाऊं तो अपने पुराणों में भगीरथ ने गंगा को हिमालय से नीचे उतार के पूरी अपनी खेतों में लहराया, तब से ये वर्ड आया है कि ये भगीरथ काम कर रहे हैं। तो कोई भी डिफिकल्ट काम को भगीरथ काम कहा जाता है। कई ऐसा ही काम हमारी ये मिराज बहन ने कहा है, किया है। मैंने थ्रू आउट 2 साल इनकी कसमोकस, इनकी तकलीफ़ें, इनकी लाचारी, इनका प्रॉब्लम, पल पल की उसकी जो तकलीफ़ है वो पल पल मैंने निहारी है। फिर भी एक बड़ा काम होता है इसमें। ये महानुभावों का टाइम लेना, डिग्नरी का टाइम लेना, सेलिब्रिटी का पहले तो फ़ोन करना, इसके बाद सेक्रेटरी को मनाना, इसके बाद टेलीफोन करना, इसके